Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last video, we complete the teacher section. In this video, we are going to teach about the course section. Right. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to create the entity which is a course. So right click the package which is entity, new class which is a course. The course consists of, so here the entity first you have to put the annotations. Right, so we no need to write again by again, we already created, so just paste it, change the name which is a course, right, table name is entity along with the entity annotation. Here what I'm going to do is the relevant fields. So the relevant fields, what are the fields? So we have to copy this from the student class, paste on it. We have to change the appropriate properties. Just student ID, this way I have to change it as course ID. So your name it as course ID. Second one is a name, course name. Change it as course name. Out of the syllabus, so syllabus, your name is syllabus. Out of that duration, the duration. These are the things. Syllabus, right? Syllabus, the course name, which is syllabus, and duration, right? Now here we have to implement the get and set method. So you have to write it here, right click. First you have to implement the constructor. So right click generate constructor. We have select all, or on shift key down, select all and click OK. All the parameter is constructor. After that we have to select, right click, generate constructor. We have to get rid of this ID. The rest of the field we have to select OK. After that, third one, right click, generate constructor, non-constructor, you have to select non-constructor. After that you have to implement the get and set method. Right click, generate getter and setter, select all, hold on shift key, select all, generated out of string method. Right click, generate to string method, select all. Okay. Perfect, we have implemented successfully. Okay, we have implemented successfully. Right, now what I'm going to do is, these are our table which is a course table. So we have to run it. Is there any problem? We'll check it. Yeah, you can see here the Hibernate, the table, the course table has been created. You will be able to check here. The course table has been created. Here you will be able to see. You can see that the course table has been created. You can see here, right? So the table has been created, right? The course table has been created successfully, right? So now what I'm going to see, if you want to make the length a little bit bigger, you can give it. So here you can refresh the table. So here the table is not coming here like this, so you have to refresh it. So here select this one, here refresh it, click on this symbol. So here the course table has been added. Okay, it's coming successfully, right? So perfect. Now what I'm going to do is, we have to third step, we have to create the DTO of the course. So we have to click on the DTO course, DTO course, save DTO. Third one is a course update DTO. The course video, here go over here, select this all the things, copy this, paste on it here. Only we need this all things, we don't need only the API, only these are the APIs, these are the database column name, we don't need them. We get rid of these names and everything. Right, perfect. Now here also we have to generate the get and set method. As we usually we have to implement the all large constructor, no large constructor, data. We have to implement these things. Right. Now we have implement this all things we required for the when we view that course ID, course name, syllabus and duration. Right. So we need this all things we just copy it, paste on it over here. The save method, we don't need that all the things. We need only these IDs auto increment, we don't need them. Rest of the fields we need. Third one is update parts. Update also we need all the properties. Right. So here also we have to implement this all things annotations. Update also we have to have all the annotation. Perfect. Right. After that, we have to go to the controller section, right click new, class, post controller. Here, this thing I just copy it and paste on it the controller, course controller over here above. This one's request is coming from course. So this all the student, all thing we just copy it because we have done these things. We don't need to do again by again. So we have to all things we have to make it as a course. Right, okay. So here these are, I just copy and paste it over here. Let's create the IMPs. So first you have to create the service. I'm going to create the interface first one, which is a course service. Select the IMPL. The third one here, course service IMPL. After that, we have to go to the repo. You have to right click the repo. You have to select Java class. Select the interface. You have to select this one, course repo. Right. Okay, the student repo. You have to write this same thing. Just copy it, paste on it over here. This one and select this one as a course. Okay, this is a course entity. We have to implement the integer. So because this one should be the integer. Okay, so you have to implement the integer. So integer. So that's why we have to put it the here also the integer repo. Okay, what is the primary key data type? You have to use it over here. Okay, you have to representing here. Okay, what is the primary key of the field of the database? You have to representing from here. Okay, right. So that's the thing we have to do it. Right. So after that we have to go to here the service, course service. We have to go to the student service, Okay, so sorry. Now here, all right. Now let's go to my course controller. So we already create the course service, all the things. Now what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to call this course service. Right. So here, save course. Save course DTO. Course. Save DTO here also. Course save DTO. You have to select this one. All done. All done. Right. So here this one, you have to paste it over here. Here also you have to copy this one, call it over here. Now you have to create this method add course. dot string course. Here also you write course. Click on this. Create the method course service over here. Okay. So when you add the course record, so here we have to add the course IMPL. We have to add the annotation which is service. Okay, service annotation. Here we have to implements. You have to write the implements keywords from the course service. Now it asks to implement the add method. We already did it. Right, we have to implement it successfully. Okay, so we have a good idea so how the controllers works, right? How to model works, everything we have explained. Okay, so I hope you guys you have find this all things. I will continue this video in my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.